What's up guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of Tech Host. I'm here Alok and you're watching Tech Host YouTube channel. So today in this video I want to show you how can you install Adobe Premiere Pro in your desktop. So let's get started. First you need to download the given file in the description below and you get this zip file. So you extract it or double click on that. It already starting. So after opening that you get 4 files. Setup.exe is the last file, so double click on that. It is a application file, so it extracting. After extracting you get the installation page pop-up. You can see we got it. Let the blank screen for a few seconds and then so select your language and location and hit the continue button. For this you didn't need any internet connection or Wi-Fi connection. So Adobe Premiere Pro is used by many of the creators across the YouTube, so it is best option for creating and editing your videos also. So let's skip the video. So we are at 82%, 84. It's the last, I think. After this, the installation process will finish and the app successfully installed in your desk. So it's quickly happening. So finally, installation completed. And next we check out it it's installed or not. So I click on Windows. Okay, so here we get it, the Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe and like us.